In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and set up your first Jira account, a tool that can enhance your team's productivity and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in and get you started on this journey. First things first, grab your device and open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Just make sure you're comfortable navigating it. Once your browser is open, type in the following URL, ec/id@atlassian.com/signup. This will take you directly to the Jira signup page, where we'll begin setting up your account. Give it a moment to load, and soon you'll be greeted by a simple form asking for your email address. At this step, it's important to use an email address that you plan to associate specifically with your Jira account. Perhaps you have a work email or another address dedicated to this service. This will help keep everything organized and in one place. Once you've entered your email, you'll notice a button labeled Sign Up. Just click on that and you'll be on your way. At this point, you're officially on the pathway to starting your Jira experience. Now, head over to the inbox of the email account you've just used. Look for an email from Atlassian, the parent company of Jira. This message contains a verification link, which is a crucial step in confirming your email address. By clicking on it, you ensure that your account remains secure and within your control. With your email verified, it's time to provide some personal details. You'll need to enter your full name, which functions almost like creating your digital business card within Jira. Next, it's time to create a password. Aim for something memorable yet strong, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is important for fending off any unwelcome intrusions. Once you're happy with your details, find the button labeled Agree and Sign Up and click it to move forward. Now, let's set up your first Jira site. This is the exciting part. You'll need to choose a site name, which will become a permanent part of your Jira URL, like your site Atlassian.net. Think about this carefully. It should be unique and relevant to your business or project. Next, decide on the site location or region that best suits your geographic needs. This can affect performance and compliance considerations. The next step is to select the specific Jira product that aligns best with your business's needs. You have the choice between Jira software for agile project management, Jira service management for IT service management, or Jira work management, which is more tailored for general team projects. Choose carefully, as each product offers a unique suite of tools designed to optimize specific workflows. Finally, complete the setup process by following the on-screen prompts. Each is designed to guide you through the initial configuration with ease. Once you're finished, you'll have a fully functional Jira site ready to help you and your team organize, track, and manage work in a whole new way. Welcome to your new journey with Jira. May it bring efficiency and clarity to your team's projects.